back on something next week.
I've always been like, door, baby. Beep, beep.
That's
the rubber door, baby. Where did they press
You know, so if you bulum, you know bulum bulum. If you blow bulum bulum, can't carry the air before inside your mouth. It go sound like her. Anyway, now welcome back on top of the night show. We discuss sexual harassment for workplaces. Our phone numbers go there on top of your TV, and our tweet messages will go to begin the reader, make you call us, make you chook mouth on top of this matter. But anyway, we are handing over again to I won't call us a day reducing. Bunmi Oni, the HR expert.
Please mind yourself before they tell you say you are assaultment sexual.
Yeah, the sexual assault.
Yes.
Over to you, Bunmi.
Okay. So now we'll distinguish the harassment, the one where they verbal, if you talk with your mouth, the one where no they non-verbal, the one we be saying are physical. The first one for verbal be saying referring to an adult as a girl, honk, doll, babe, or honey.
Ha. Wait, I come. Oh, Katim now feel look easy bit. Honky honk. Oh, I feel easy bit feel look Katim now say, baby, you look so sexy, you look like a doll. Now sexual harassment.
If they don't they play some kind play before, we say Katim welcome am, no be harassment. But if opportunity, as in they know they that kind of level of play, now just call it kind thing.
You know what I think of now, easy bit. Katim, you know what I think of now. Companies now where they never pay their salary. Anytime when one guy just talk that can't give the babe will just go court. I'm sure they not pay, my brother never pay salary. Make I sue this guy.
Then whistling at someone, like cat calls, you know, like yeah. That one is.
Now, that one I know, so that one not join.
Then making sexual comments about a person's body.
Your hips, man, you fine your body. Now, no matter
so you go talk
don't lie.
If it's sexual, no be so you go talk am. You go get some. You see, before somebody
how they talk am? How wanna take the talk am?
Well, no be say.
The ones where they talk, how you take the talk am?
No. What happen?
You say no be so they talk am. So the one where you the way they talk.
I don't know.
Take the talk am.
See, if na honest comment, like Monica now. But if
Monica?
no be our Monica now.
Let's be reduced. Continue.
If no be honest comment, you go get some sexual undertone. We be say,
talk am. How they go take talk am?
I know Sapia, but I know say go get some kind sexual undertone. You understand? Like if you there is this guy slim well, he go just rotate like fan. You
From Benway, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
How are you, my dear Franca?
Fine, good evening.
Good evening. How today?
Hi. Nedu?
Ma?
Are you listening me?
Now with you.
It's this. What's up now?
Fine, Franca, good evening.
Good evening. How's things now?
Fine.
Easy people not get discussion before.
No.
I don't know.
How things now? Continue because
turning work discussions to sexual topics is verbal.
from Ogun State, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Ali, are you with me?
Because this is my first time of seeing you.
What do you call me?
Boy, I just like your face. I like everything about you.
Okay.
What's him in name?
Ali, A-L-I.
No, what's him be him name? This man.
My name.
Because what's your problem? I say A-L-I.
Okay.
Igoske.
God bless you. The Lord knows your needs and he will meet you at the point of your needs. Good night. Receive sign of the cross. Anointed. Go.
In peace, not in pieces.
In peace.
Then asking about sexual fantasies, preferences, or history.
Oh, okay. Maybe I feel ask babe, how you take like you like it on the ceiling or burglary proof, or snake and ladder style, or suey style.
Then asking personal questions about social or sexual life.
Nah, the same thing now, basically.
Yeah.
Right?
No preference or history. How you
John,
take down.
Anyway, John, good evening from Austria.
Hello?
John from Austria.
Hi.
Are you with me?
I am with you. How are you?
Hey, fine. We won't behave ourselves. Fine.
I'm with you. I'm hearing you.
Yeah, we're hearing you too. Good evening.
Come on, stop. I'm fine. Okay, see, I want to answer Auntie Kasim question. She okay. To stop. I can speak pidgin. Auntie Kasim, I want to answer your question. You know, you say how you can stop this sexual harassment, no?
Yes, no. John.
Okay. So you know, Nedu, I know you're gonna laugh like this. You're laughing now. I'm gonna talk from like experience. You know,
Please
this
don't
thing
gonna do
keep
it.
repeating
Please.
itself. Depends on how you reacted before stage, whether at home, at work, or at school. You know. I remember at the time when I was with kind of like cousins around me, and a friend of my I would say elder brother. You know, when I'm washing plates in the kitchen, things like that, maybe, you know, I'm home and I'll be wearing a shirt. And the next thing, I say somebody suddenly behind my back saying, almost see waste. You know, things like that. When you just say, based on we're just living in the same house as family, I would just laugh. Until you get to the point, I just the wash plate. This boy, you knock me for cable. Like they say, see the waste. Now, person, they chop this one. You know, that day, in fact, he was surprised. I thought, like, my sister was like, you do the vest. I said, if it's your friend, tell him, otherwise I'll call the police. Now the person come up for us one day before you know this boy don't press me. Same no way would let you stop come and say this boy press it for her. You know, so the way you react on it's just better you don't take it until you're laughing. Don't take it easy. Because the more the person say, I like the way your breath points like this, you smile put. The next day you will touch her. So good night. Isn't it, baby?
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Don't quarrel.
Joanne, are you coming?
Yeah, Joanne.
See, that's now what we they talk because she don't identify wetin be sexual harassment. Otherwise,
Francis, good
she fit no know.
Okay.
Then
She
that man fit on the back and say, sorry, now it's not by quarrel.
She better just stop say see waste.
You know, at first, the guy first say, I must see waste. Then when I cut up a pa, now person they chop this thing. After you hammer him, the guy not trying again. I give him back.
But if you don't know, see waste. The girl don't know say that harassment.
The guy gonna feel proud for.
If you say she didn't know identify say now.
No.
If the girl if she know prouding. If she say she don't know say na harassment, the thing for continue. You understand?
And if you
you
go lead to rape one day, and the guy they hold the girl knock on the ground one day.
And the guy go think say the girl they welcome him since you know raise any eyebrow, you know feel like say they welcome him.
Continue.
Then the next one, making kissing sounds, howling and smacking lips. Then making sexual comments about the person's clothing, anatomy or looks. Like see waist now.
Okay, like this see waist now.
See waist now, yeah.
Okay.
Now anatomy.
See you are west.
You know when I did for university, they mean teach us, you know, say cell. You know if you say the shape of the cell, they go say the morphology of the cell. You understand? That means say you won't describe the way the cell be. You know, plant cell, animal cell. So you been get some, you know, guys that say, if you see the morphology of that gay.
Morphology if you see the morphology back the way of that girl.
You see the morphology of that girl. You know, those kind of things. So the girl go don't know, say, don't they feel am say this thing na harassment. No be say na ordinary plea.
Okay.
Then repeatedly asking out a person who is not interested.
Okay, if they toast you, you not good. That one I know na sexual harassment. If they toast me, I not want.
You say, come make we go chop for Kini. You say, no, you are not interested. He come back the following day, call him for phone. Hope you don't
maybe
like
the girl, no, you know say girls they like do no before they can't say yes. Maybe na so the girl do.
Like that one where I talk, the girl go don they get some kind no. Not be say you go carry nail bagam.
Will you take it? No, stop it.
No
now.
No. But you go get some kind of way we go come with slap like Igba.
No, don't try it again.
Don't you ever.
Skin you alive.
You say it's not quarrel now. Then you go say everywhere. Go say you go begin beg you. Then the last time
you not go try it again.
Exactly. Then
so
telling lies or spreading
rumor
rumor about a person's personal sex life.
Oh,
that's
so
after.
I think as I talk now, say easy be the wipe anyhow. Now sexual harassment.
No, well, it depends on the context. For instance, the person never touched like the person before. You go come, they tell the other colleague, say,
I know this guy. Anyway, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Iwo, how you doing?
This guy.
Hello, good evening.
Iwo, would they hear you?
Are you with me?
I am with you, man of God.
With me?
We are with you. We are with you here.
I just look question now.
Oh yeah, ask.
What's the question?
Ask question.
If a girl buy you on this, buy you three daughter on his own.
Buy you
That's harassment.
Buy you what?
If a girl in your office buy you all this, on the good ground, not really attached to it, it's harassment.
Yeah.
If the girl buy you on
If
this.
you get buy you on this, Abi.
But if a girl buy you boxer,
Boxer.
Now,
just a few weeks too.
now how many the guy buy for you?
One or two.
Now she buy what? You don't know again? Thank you. He will just drop her phone. She go answer you now. So you see this guy, now the thing happened to.
One day the girl go say make you go wear the boxer, make you see whether.
I need to see how the boxers look on you. Hey! Why they don't buy boxers for me like that? Why?
Nobody know you, Nedu.
From Abuja, good evening.
Nobody know you.
Ninido. Yeah.
Neither.
Ninido. Oh, Ninido. Ninido.
Mini Jaja.
Call us back. I like this your name. Oh, Ninido. Sylvester, good evening.
Sly.
Sylvester.
Hello.
Sylvester.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you with me?
Are you with you? I'm with you.
Ask question, Sylvester.
No, I just want to greet Nedu.
Thank you. I greet you too.
I see you the way you today. I like it very well. I like your dressing, your everything.
Hope that one will be harassment.
You're sexually harassing me now. You're sexually harassing me, young man. But thank you anyway.
We'll carry you to court.
Thank you. You will
hear from our lawyer.
We hear from our lawyer.
Yes.
You hear from our lawyers.
Yes.
Very soon. Don't tie it again.
Yes.
A woman, you can call. Continue.
So like the last one we were then telling lies or spreading rumors about a person's personal sex life.
What
That's
did that one
before
mean?
or after?
If you not touch like the person before, say, can they spread rumor
I don't
around the
hear those
office? Say,
kind of
Okay, that girl, I don't wipe
happened
am.
If it
I
happened
chop
one time,
am.
that upstairs.
not be only
it
one
happened.
time, say, like 4.
Who happened to?
When everybody they talk, say, this one.
Who them wipe? Who them wipe? Tell me now.
They don't wipe anybody, but just they talk.
Okay, they say they wipe the person.
Meanwhile, nothing.
How you take me to nothing? The person feel like to you now.
No, now because he want your say first. We know
From
these things.
Abuja, good evening. Hey, person, did they when you wipe, did they show for face? Samuel,
You don't frustrate.
Hello?
We know
are you with him, man?
Yes, I'm with you. Good evening.
I'm gonna ask
Good
question.
evening, oh.
Good evening. Well done.
You want to ask question, Abi?
What I want to ask is how about the government to do how women are dressing so carelessly somehow.
I'm careless.
There are some tempting dressing that women usually do.
Close your eye now.
Okay, for your office, Abi.
And some from office, they'll call the button of the first button or two.
And anytime when you see them, it don't disturb you.
The person they reach like, yeah.
Anytime when you see them, it don't disturb you. You go feel like something, Abi.
You know now, that is
My brother, you don't catch yourself. You don't enter the trap. Now, brother, close your eye. You need Jesus. You need Jesus in the bed. Samuel. Asokwa, good evening.
You need to close his eye.
Asokwa, Abante. What's Abante?
Abade.
Abante. Your TV is too loud.
Hello. Reduce.
Good evening. Gotta let it go, man.
Are you nigga?
We gotta let you go, man. Peace. You're sexually harassing our phone line. Good evening.
Hello?
Hello. Hi.
Talk. But why you don't read your TV? Call us back.
Then the non-verbal ones, looking at a person up and down. You know when they say elevator eyes.
Hey. Bunmi.
You know, like elevator eyes. You just.
Is it me? Do them again. Do them again.
What it?
Do them.
Easy.
We
never know this.
My brother, we never know you. You just say you know they stand for road. You can't carry handbag for road.
We need to follow this easy bit.
Maybe for 10 o'clock for that easy bit goes down for road.
I don't know.
Madam, are you going my way?
Then we do eye.
Madam, let's have you
The elevator eye plus.
Elevator eye play.
Then blocking a person's path. You know those kinds of things. You know when we did for secondary school where we say some boys, you go on pass, they can't go block, you go pass. You know all those kinds of things. They do them for workplace too. You know, say the girl go pass, you can't go block the road like.
Or put like.
From Abuja, good evening.
Good evening.
Mini Jojo.
Hello.
Hi.
This is Mimi Dofani from Abuja.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How is you?
Hello, Elizabeth.
Hi, good evening.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
I beg, leave, just leave that lady. What is it? That is sexual harassment.
Oh.
Please.
My sister, you are the culprit. How you go back and say, you be pussycat.
Say, please, when ladies even laughing, that is sexual harassment.
My sister.
Good evening.
Am I correct?
Time caller.
Oh, you're welcome. How is your ministry?
Fine.
Okay, I'm going to talk now.
I just want to say well done. I like your show.
You want to talk to ECB? You know they pass that
Sure,
one
I
now.
want to talk to him.
Talk to him now. Talk more about some good film.
Hi, good evening.
I'm fine. How you doing?
I'm fine, I'm great.
I'm very well, Santika too.
All right, she can hear you.
Hello. You don't talk
Hello,
to Easy
Auntie
finish.
Kathy.
Hello, sweet girl.
Hello.
Hello, I'm talking about me now.
Good evening.
Good evening to you.
Please don't allow Nidhi to touch you. It's doing
Okay.
sexual harassment.
Okay, ma.
Nini, go! Go! Continue because before we carry Waka come out for studio.
Then displaying sexually suggestive visuals. Maybe for your phone now, you can't go meet the girl. Say, make I show you.
I want to show you one wiping thing.
Can't they do that one for office? Where you know, say,
how the girl get the rotate like that, remind me of you.
Like elephant.
You see, remind me of you.
So displaying
So
such
if you dey
visuals.
show person video of wiping with it for your phone, na sexual harassment.
Na sexual harassment. So because no be the person invite you, make it come they show that kind of thing. If to say both of na carry na come go watch that kind of thing, you understand. Yes. But make you come say, come make I show you something. No be say the person invite you, now you just carry your phone say, make I show you some pictures for my phone. Or maybe the person take some kind picture of himself, come put am for phone, come they show him.
Eggplant, because what thing guys they do now, put his eggplant on display. My brother, I don't know when he between eggplant. Continue,
Then making sexual gestures with hands or through your body movements.
How they do sexual gestures with hand?
Some guys they do this kind of thing where we say they feel it, for me they annoy me.
How did they do you? What they do you? How they do them?
Shall make I stand up?
Stand
you know
up.
some guys they talk to you. Come stand for your front. Come grab their kidney.
Like this.
Come like Then come carry that same hand. Come shake you like, hey, what's up? You see what I'm saying? This is the best person.
Know where it has been. I mean, just do. Even they do them.
They do them.
I don't do that, please. I'm so simple.
That time you wear your black. That time you wear your black and yellow boxer. That jello will be like this.
Yeah.
Where you get dot. You do them that time. You don't know, but now me also tell you because I like you and because I know you.
Come grab the kidney. Come they. Hey, what's up? Then they talk to you. Come they do some kind.
Grab a massy.
Like this now.
Face camera.
Face camera.
Grab a
Like this.
Anyway, double toilet all of now. Join us for the show for today. Until next week Monday, we will continue with sexual harassment for office. Who they grab? The grabber and the grabby. Bunmi Oni will come back next week. Double toilet to our producers, to everybody we call from different parts of the country. Thank you.